Welcome back to Trending Cars. Today we are diving into the world of ultimate luxury and performance with the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it is a rolling piece of automotive art infused with Ferrari's legendary racing DNA. The moment you lay eyes on it, you know it's something extraordinary. The exterior is sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Ferrari. The iconic Prancing horse badge proudly sits at the front, while the sharp LED headlights are sculpted to give it an aggressive, supercar-inspired look. The bold front grille channels airflow efficiently, keeping the engine cool even during long-distance cruising. The side profile is elegant with smooth curves, retractable side mirrors, and flush door handles that add to its aerodynamic efficiency. The massive alloy wheels, finished in a unique Ferrari red accent, complement its performance-driven character. The rear design is equally stunning, with signature Ferrari-style tail lamps and a subtle spoiler that blends sportiness with motorhome practicality. This motorhome turns heads wherever it goes, making it not just a vehicle but a statement of prestige. Step inside, and you're instantly transported to a world of unmatched luxury. The interior is a perfect blend of Ferrari's sporty cockpit design and motorhome comfort. Premium leather upholstery covers every inch, with contrast stitching that reminds you of Ferrari's racing heritage. The dashboard feels like you are sitting inside a Ferrari supercar, with a digital instrument cluster, carbon fiber accents, and a flat-bottom steering wheel. Moving to the living area, you'll find a spacious lounge with high-end recliner seats, a fully equipped kitchenette with stainless steel appliances, and a dining area that feels like a luxury suite. The bedroom features a king-size memory foam bed, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows for breathtaking views. Even the bathroom is finished with marble-style surfaces, a rainfall shower, and heated floors, making this motorhome a true home on wheels. When it comes to performance, Ferrari has set a new benchmark. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 engine paired with an electric motor, producing an impressive 900 horsepower. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, which is insane for a motorhome. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride, while Ferrari's advanced traction control and all-wheel drive system keep it stable even at high speeds. The driving experience is remarkably quiet when running in electric mode, perfect for city cruising, but switch to the hybrid powertrain, and you'll hear that signature Ferrari roar. Fuel efficiency is surprisingly decent for its class, thanks to its regenerative braking and hybrid technology. As for the price, luxury and performance come at a cost. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at around $1.8 million, with fully customized versions exceeding $2.5 million. This is not Jew.